Hey everybody, this is Mike Stroud with Stroud's Building Supply and Steel Trusses. Excited about all the pole barns that are going out the metal roof, and we ship nationwide. You can figure $4.75 a square foot for everything. All your posts, all your metal roofing, the 2x6 purlins, the trusses. We ship nationwide. We do have sales and installation. You can call me about pricing on that thing. For wherever you're located at, we'll try to get you taken care of as far as putting your pole barn up. And then we've got 10x10s and 8x8 posts. All our metal is #1 40-year warranted metal. We don't mess with any salvage or B grades. A lot of times you don't know what people are giving you in your metal. And same way with our lumber. Everything we've got is #1 grade stamp and #2 prime yellow pine for 4 good edges on our 2x6 purlins. Everything we've got is quality. We don't even mess with anything that's junk. We're excited about that. So if you're looking for trusses or pole barns, give me a call at 828-413-4201 and we'll get you set up, or visit us at stroudsbuildingsupply.com. Another good customer here, Thomas Road. He's got some copper metal, which is a little bit more expensive than the regular metal, but he's doing a 24x48 pole barn, and we're excited about him doing all the things that he's doing. So God bless you. Give me a call at 828-413-4201 and get yourself a pole barn. God bless you.